In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate follow-ups with Apollo.io sequences. If you're doing outbound or nurturing leads, consistent follow-ups are where most replies happen. The goal today is to add a hands-off follow-up email inside an existing Apollo sequence so you stay top of mind without adding work to your day. Start by opening Apollo and heading to your sequences. Click into the sequence you're actively using so you're editing the real thing your prospects are moving through. It helps to quickly scan the existing steps to confirm you're in the right place and to understand where the follow-up should live in the flow. If you have multiple sequences with similar names, double-check the one you select so you don't edit the wrong playbook. Next, choose Add a Step. This tells Apollo you want to insert another touch in the journey. Think about placement as you do this. The new step will follow whatever you select in the timeline, so choose a spot that makes sense after your initial outreach. A follow-up typically works well right after your first email has had enough time to breathe. But the exact order depends on how your sequence is designed. When the step type options appear, select Automatic Email. This is what makes the step run on autopilot and send without manual action from you. Automatic emails use your connected mailbox and respect your sending windows and sequence rules, so once it's in place, it just works in the background. Now choose Follow-up. This option creates an email that continues the same conversation thread, which helps with deliverability and context. Staying in thread keeps your name familiar in the inbox and reminds the recipient of your earlier message without making them hunt for it. Finally, edit the email. Keep it short, friendly, and clear about why you're reaching out again. Reference the value from your previous note in one line, offer a simple next step, and make your call to action easy to say yes to, like proposing a quick time window or asking a single qualifying question. Personalize where it counts. Use tokens like first name or company thoughtfully. And add a sentence that proves you understand their situation. Avoid heavy formatting and large images to protect deliverability. Read it aloud once to check tone, run a quick spell check, and save your changes. If your workflow allows, send yourself a quick test to see how it looks in your inbox. That's it. You've added an automated follow-up to your sequence. From here, let Apollo take over and send it on schedule, while you focus on conversations that come in.